Okay, hello students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of maths. In this chapter, you will understand about Roman numerals. See, our own system of numbers, that is Hindu Arabic system, it is called Hindu Arabic numeral system or number system. This was originated in India, then it was spread to Arab, from there it is spread to Europe. So that's why it is called Hindu Arabic. Okay, so Hindu Arabic number system, this is our own number system which we use in our day-to-day life, comprised of 10 basic symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 10 symbols we use to write any number, isn't it? So now we are talking about a new number system, that is Roman numerals. Now this Roman numerals, this number system comprised of 7 basic symbols using which you can write different numbers. So what are the 7 basic symbols? This, this one is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals which are used to write any number. Okay, this I means 1 in Hindu Arabic system, this V means 5, this X means 10, this L means 50, this C means 100, this D means 500 and this M means 1000. You have to memorize this. Okay, so our Roman numeral comprised of 7 basic symbols. These are I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Please write it in your copy and memorize. Okay. Now I am going to tell you certain rules which you need to follow in order to write, so that you are able to write different numbers using these symbols. Okay, so the first rule which I am going to tell you is, suppose I took V, and after V on the right side I wrote I. So if the smaller number is written to the right of bigger number, see V is bigger than I, isn't it? So if smaller number is written to the right side of bigger number, then it's get added. So this is 5 and this is 1, isn't it? This is 5 and this is 1, so it will become 6. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose L X. So see, X is a smaller than L and it is written to the right side. So if the smaller is written to the right of the bigger, then it's get added. So L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. So 50 plus 10 becomes 60. Okay, let's see more. So what does this rule tells you? That when a smaller number is placed after the greater number, then we add the values. Okay, what is the rule? The first rule is, when we place, when a smaller numeral is placed after the greater one, we add the values. Okay, we add the values when it comes after. When a smaller numeral is placed after the, देखो v के बाद, after v what is there, I, so it is smaller. So when a smaller numeral is placed after the greater one, we add the value. So 5 plus 1 6, 50 plus 10 60, like that we can write, suppose D C. So see which one is bigger, D is bigger, see D is 500 and C is 100. So when a smaller numeral is placed after the bigger, what we do, we add the values. So D is 500 and C is 100. 500 plus 100 is 600. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose MD. Okay, so see, smaller number is placed after the bigger on the right side, isn't it? After the bigger, smaller is placed. So what we do out here, we will add the values. So M is 1000 and D is 500. So 1000 plus 500 is 1500. If you don't know, you go add it in the rough. Okay, you can add in the rough. So M is 1000 and D is 500. So add it, you will get 1500. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. Suppose if I take like this, V 1 2 like this, 2 times I. So see here, the smaller is placed after the bigger. So 5 6 7. So this is 7. Okay, now suppose I write L X X. So 50, 10 60, more 10 70. So this becomes 70. Okay, so this is the way you will use this rule. So this was first rule. Now in the next video I am going to tell you about other rules.